Well, would you take a look at that? Ticker symbol BSEM, Biostem Technologies, which we recently touched on about a month ago. We're going to give you the exact date in 1 second. Has gone up 97% from the date that we posted the video about it. This stock is climbing itself from being a penny stock out of the hole, and we're going to show you just exactly how good they are doing. And this is still extremely early to be put on your radar. Without further ado, guys, all I ask you to do is hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments down below if you are adding this one to your portfolio. On December 5th, 2023, I posted BSEM stock plus 65% and more potential ahead. So prior to this 97% move up to around $7, Biostem had a 65% move. And now I am extremely excited that it is trading above the 236 on the fib. We gave the touch points over here on the chart, 1, 2, 3, and then it was touching it for a fourth time, broke out, and finally is basing on the 236, which means I expect a move up to $9 pretty soon, and it is currently trading at $6 even. Now, as always, this is a sponsored video, so thank you Sideways Frequency for sponsoring today's video, but I don't take sponsors unless I like what the company is doing or they are doing extremely well, and in this one in particular, it is doing both. Manufacturing products that change lives. We previously touched that BSEM crushes estimates on stellar growth. Now, if you go take a look at the company's earnings that they reported, you will see revenue is up 214% year over year, net income is up 122% year over year, net profit margin 107% year over year, operating income 132 and cost of revenue 1.39. So they beat EPS by 116% on the last earnings and revenue by 160%. This company is absolutely crushing it, and it is not on anyone's radar except the people that are watching my channel day in and day out. So this penny stock is climbing out of the range from being a penny stock from $5 and below, now trading at $6, above the 236, going for that $9 level, making moves. And this is exactly what you want to see with a small cap company. You want to see news come in at least week in, month out, right? You don't want to see news coming in every few months because that usually looks bad for a penny stock. In this case, this company drops news back to back. Biostem Technologies bolsters leadership with appointment of Thomas Dugan to board of directors. Center for Medicare Services established national pricing of AmnioWrap2 in all MAC regions. Biostem Technologies appoints executive leader Patrick Daly to board of directors. And finally, Biostem Technologies appoints proven life science sales leader Sean McCary to chief commercial officer role. This is the latest news over on the company. Hiring someone with an extensive background transforming care standards in diverse fields such as regenerative medicine, wound care, etc. Before joining this team at Biostem, he has had a great past track record of boosting other companies from 39% annual growth rate to an impressive 60%, so he could possibly do the same exact thing with Biostem since they are already growing at an impressive rate. He also expanded a company's install base by 910% and grew its sales force by 250, eventually bringing in an increase of 1,158% in company sales. So he may just be doing the same for Biostem Technologies. Now, Biostem is making moves for the near future, covering their brand new products, their allografts, and their healing methods, becoming the new modern medicine. And a lot of these companies don't end up leading the pack and end up dying off, but Biostem, we have talked about, is leading the pack, and this sector may become big over the next few years. I'm going to link their website right under the video so that you guys can go check it out. But the next set that we're watching at, and in my opinion, this isn't a bad time to enter, not financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor, but the base is $5.75 for the 236. So $5.75 to $6 is an entry point, in my opinion, for this stock to ride at least up to $9. And I think $9 is coming by February 28th, which is when they report their next earnings. If this was their previous earnings call, I can't wait to see what their next one actually is. And if you take a look, prior earnings they beat, and then the prior earnings before that they also beat. So this company has been killing it in my opinion, potentially bottoming out and getting ready to climb once again. I just wanted to give you guys an update on BioStem because I think it's actually an extremely solid company to have on your radar with a market cap of only $78 million and very, very low average trade volume. So any sort of large retail order or whale order is going to shift the stock extremely high. And once they get more funding, once this gets on institutions' radar, it's going to be very well for the company. Plus, them shifting, coming into the larger markets, expanding themselves, expanding their products, beating on earnings, all they really have to do is continue to innovate, in which they are going to. That is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this update on BioStem Technologies. I know some of you jumped in last time and you would be up a decent percentage. Let me know if you are getting in this time for BioStem Technologies. And as always, thank you Sideways Frequency for sponsoring today's video. Really appreciate it. I will eventually update you on this once again. Last one was December 5th. Now we are about a month and a week later updating you. There was a 100% gain made on this play. I love you all. Lottery Socks out.